APT XP Pipework provides a highly flexible pipework solution that makes installation simple and easy in any weather condition or site configuration. XP Pipe features a premium multi-layer construction designed to provide double wall protection and give the pipe enhanced strength. With lawn coils and controlled flexibility, XP Pipe delivers fast and easy installation, even in low temperatures. Featuring a 3-foot bend radius for all pipe diameters, XP Pipe can accommodate lawn runs in any layout. Simple clamshell fittings with T, elbow, and quick release options eliminate glued joints and long drying times, allowing contractors to quickly carry out installation and pressure testing. Rigid entry boots allow installers to connect XP Pipe to containment sumps with an unsurpassed level of installation ease, while also completely removing exposed rubber for a watertight connection.